Hello everyone, welcome to the first part of your course. So, hope you are ready to begin with this, and at the first part we're gonna explore networking basics. So the basics of networking, we're gonna begin with the internal network here, and this is all about the devices within the network. Okay, you need to understand which devices are there, how they operate, what port, what IP, all that kind of stuff. So we're gonna begin by actually scanning the subnet. We're gonna scan for devices in the subnet, and then after that we're gonna proceed to actually find open ports and then exploit the IP address of a specific Android device that is there in the subnet at the end of this module. So let's get started. First thing that you need to do is head over to Google and type angry IP scanner. Alright, so it's gonna be angryip.org/download/#Linux. So you're gonna wait for this to open, and since we're running Kali Linux here, we're gonna choose the Debian package because Kali is based on Debian. So once you have this package downloaded, it should appear downloaded right here. What you're gonna do next is you're gonna press and hold the terminal, open a new window. Now we're gonna do an administrative task. It is highly recommended that you do not use root. Again, I'm saying do not use root for any task that does not require administration privileges. If you do that, you're risking your device to malware, you're risking it to different kinds of cyber issues because you might even delete sensitive files without you even noticing it. So do not use root to do anything unnecessary. So you're gonna go super user do switch user, and we're gonna provide our password here. So now we're root. Okay, that's good because that's what we want. So we're gonna navigate to downloads. From downloads, we're gonna copy our IP scanner, which is that, and we're gonna go dpkg-i, which is for installation, and we're gonna install the IP scanner. Now, Angry IP Scanner is just one of the IP scanners you can use. There are better IP scanners out there that can give you more information about a device than Angry IP itself. So now, after you've done all that, okay, what I need you to do is come over here and head over to Angry IP. Once you have this open, first thing you need to do is understand subnet masking. So over here we can see the IP range is 172.20.10.0 to that 0.15. This is for a private IP address. This is for scanning private IP addresses within the local subnet, and it'll show you the list of devices that are there. Now I'm not gonna go deep into subnetting because it's gonna be very complicated for beginners to actually understand it, so you get the idea. Now here we already have 3 devices that are active. We have this is the gateway, which is my iPhone, which is obviously the hotspot, which is where the network is coming from. Then we have this computer, which is Kali, of course. Then we have this device here, which is the Android device. Of course, it's not going to show it because this is Angry IP Scanner, but we already know it's an Android device because it's the only third device that's there in the network. If you used a IP scanner like advanced IP scanner, it would be more in depth in scanning. It would show more details about the IP address and the device that you're looking for rather than this. So it would even tell you if it's a camera or not, the name of the camera would be there and all that. That's if you are using advanced IP scanner, and I've used that multiple times. It's better than Angry IP, but for this demonstration I'm only gonna use Angry IP. So now we've already scanned the device. This is the end of this part of the course, and I'll see you in the next.